Okay, good morning one and all. Myself Smita Anil Takarkar for Assistant Professor in ENTC Department. Today we will learn the introduction of electronics in the first unit's revised syllabus of 2019 course. Teaching methodology, this is the details already discussed on that points for the previous lecture. And the T1, his the book has mentioned T1 like electronics devices by the Thomas L. Floyd in edition, 9th edition as well as 7th edition. This is the course objective, the principle of electronics and working principles of PN junction diode and the special purpose diodes. You can see on that this is the course related to the subject, course outcome as well as course objective. And today's lecture discuss about the semiconductor, first chapter semiconductor basis in the electronics book of electronics devices, semiconductor devices. Then what is mean by semiconductor? In a semiconductor, the such as electronic, you can see on that here. Electronics devices such as diode, transistor and integrated circuits made of semiconductive material. Then what is mean by semiconductor? The semiconductor is one type of the conducting device material you can use for the silicon material. Silicon material. The course outcome, explain the working principle of p-n junction diode and its circuits. p-n junction, p-n junction means P means positive terminal and N means negative terminal. Positive terminal and the negative terminal is between a junction, positive. In the field of the positive terminal, it's passing a whole types of the materials. And the N junction, N is the electrons. Positive holes and the N electrons, and this is the junctions if a positive terminal and the negative terminal in between, that is mean as the diffusion. That's the diffusion of the diode and its characteristics is you can see on that today's session. Okay, in the previous sessions vacuum tubes is cleared. Any problem for in a vacuum tube? Evaluation of electronics. Okay. Evaluation of electronics. In a vacuum tubes in the year of 1904. This is the evaluation of electronics. Is the history. You can see on that the year of 1831 to 1967, the scientist of Thomas, the scientist of Lee, the scientist of the John Burdeen, scientist of the William Shockley, scientist of the Walter Bratton and the scientist of Jack Kilby. That number of scientists he's implemented electronics. In electronics devices, the Thomas Edison, this is the first scientist you can see on the screen, free face. He is the evaluation of electronics and he is implemented a first p-n junction diode in using a Ohm's law. After that, its Ohm's law, current is directly proportional to the resistor and the voltage. That is the meaning of the Thomas Edison is implemented the year of 1847 to 1931. This is the bronze and the dead date for the 1831 to 1847 to 1931. But the Ohm's law he can implemented the first ohms, ampere, voltage, farad, henry, coulombs. This is the units, hertz. This is the units he is using. Get the example of electronics. Then after that, the year of the experiments. First experiments is explaining in a laboratories. He will perform the year of 1847 to 1931 in a laboratory. Then after that, the Lee de Forest. This is the Lee de Forest. He is implemented a first vacuum tube in the year of 1907, and after that the 1912 and the 1921 he is the Herbert of 600 license will be get in a vacuum tubes to be shown or purchased in a market. Then last one after the year of 1930. This is the 1930. He is the broadcasting technologies. We can implement a service of telephone technologies or the rounded telephone radios, loudspeaker. That type of the technology he can implemented the year of 1930 to 1940. Then after that, these four scientists. First is the John Burdeen. Next is the William Shockley and the Walter Brain, and last one the Jack Kilby. These four scientists he is the implemented in a first computer, and that computer you can use a operational amplifier op-amp. The most popular op-amp is the 741 using a Fairchild. That is the Fairchild. He is the datasheet most introduced in the gap to identify the microprocessor through the computer. This is the session. In a previous sessions is already discussed, and today is also discussing then what is the evaluation of electronics. The evaluation is completed. Number of scientists you can implement a designing part as well as the implementing, and establish the capacitor, inductor. This is the basic active components as well as passive components you can use in a electronics. What is mean by active components? The resistor, and that's unit is ohm. Then next capacitor, this unit is farad. Then next component for the current, I is the unit of ampere, and the frequency you can measuring the unit of hertz. That type of the electronics components, basic component, resistor, capacitor, inductor, he can use for the basic component, and the passive components you can use for the active as well as passive components like a transistor, MOSFET, sorry, MOSFET, operational amplifier. He can implement it using a electronics devices. But first is what is mean by vacuum tubes. This is the one type of the largest transistor or the more complexity he can using a vacuum tube. Then what is mean by vacuum tube? You can see here there are three input plates. One is the plate, second is the dotted, you can indicate is the electrons, and third one the cathode is the wiring of the cathode, filament of the supply. You can use for the additional supply of the cathode iron core, and the another supply is the plate supply you can using for the regulated power supply. If if supply voltage is increasing, means 1 volt, you can provide for the 2 volt, then 3 volt, 4 volt, according the voltage. This is the voltage potential for 0 volt to 100 volt. Then 200 volt, that is 300 volt. According to the input voltage is increases in practically. This is, we can see the diagram of VI characteristics, voltage versus current. You can see, hello. Wait a few minutes. Wait. Hello. Right now? Right now my voice is clear. Hello. Right now my voice is clear. Hello. Right now my voice is clear. Right now my voice is clear. Hello. Gaurav, Ketan, my voice is clear. Anyone? Please reply me. My voice is clear or not? Hello. My voice is clear or not? Okay. After that you can see on that this is the diode, plate, electrons. These three electrons you can see here the plate or current, and supply voltage will provide through the plate, and the vacuum tube, after the current is passing through the plate, the voltage is increases, like a V grid is equal to 0 volt. The voltage is starting off 0 volt, then 1 volt, 2 volt, 3 volt, 4 volt, 6 volt, 8 volt, and the 10 volt. According to replying of V grade, increasing of the difference between two voltages, that is the 0 volt, 2 volt, 4 volt, 6 volt, 8 volt, and the 10 volt. While passing the voltages, voltage is increasing, likewise the current is also increasing, and that is the funda you have to use in a vacuum tubes. Ohm's law is equal to Ohm's law. Hello students, am I audible? Okay. Because of the last 5 minutes, no answering for the single students, then I can't understand the my voice is clear or not. Please unmute yourself, all of you, and single students, anyone, please reply me. My voice is clear or not? Okay. Wait.